and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a full face using only 99-cent store makeup challenge. And yeah, I was very excited for this video. I was planning to do this video like for 3 months now. And yeah, basically if you're wondering how I've got all these products, my friend went to 99-cent store and she was sending me pictures and I was saying, yes, buy me this, yes, buy this, and yes, buy this, and I was picking which product I want, and yeah, that's it. She sent me all the products I picked, and I have so many products right now, guys, like eyeshadows, blushes, lip products, and yeah, I'm very excited to create makeup look with these products. I don't know what I'm going to do today, but I'm really excited. Also, guys, I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to use few products which are not actually from 99-cent store because I wasn't able to find any foundation or concealers or eyebrow products. But I'm going to try to use like only affordable and like drugstore makeup products. And yes, let's get started. Okay guys, I've got this LA Colors eyeshadow palette, also single eyeshadows from Milani, you can see. And I'm going to try to create a makeup look with these eyeshadows. Also, I have this Maybelline tattoo eyeshadow, but I'm not going to use this because the color is not what I'm going for today's makeup look. And yeah, I'm going to use the Milani single eyeshadows. Also, I'm going to use this LA Colors eyeshadow palette. For the transition shades, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. Okay guys, my eyes are done, and right now I'm going to contour my face, bronze my face, contour my nose, and come back because I don't have any new products for that. And yeah. Okay guys, and now I'm going to apply some eyelashes. Also, I'm going to do my eyebrows with the same product which I am using always because I don't have any brow product. And yes. Okay guys, eyelashes are done. For my blushes, I have this City Color blush palette. It is like $10, but actually it was only like 99-cent exactly. And I dropped the palette, and you can see, but all the colors are very amazing, and City Color Cosmetics have one of the best blushes. Let's try these blushes. I'm going to mix these two shades. For my lips, there was so many lipsticks. I have two lipsticks from Milani. These lipsticks usually retails for $5, but they were 99 cents. And yeah, I'm going to use the shade Nude Cream with my LA Girl lip liner, which is actually not from 99 cent store. It's like very affordable, and this is why I'm going to use the pencil, because I don't have any lip liners from 99 cent store. And for my highlighter, I'm going to use this Maybelline single eyeshadow. Actually, this is not from 99 cent store, but these eyeshadows are available in 99 cent store, so you can buy one if you want. And yes. And yes guys, this is the makeup look I created today. And yes, in general, I like all the products, especially for the price, but the eyeshadows were very difficult to work with. There was a lot of fallout. Also, you should apply so much product to get the right pigmentation. But in general, again, for the price, all the products are okay. I like the blush, I like the lipstick, and yes guys, this is everything for today's video. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you, see you next time, bye.